Good day, TreeMuggs here. I wanted to take a look at one of the most popular rigging knots used to attach hardware to trees, and this is known as the timber hitch. So the timber hitch is used primarily with deadeye slings. It forms a very strong and secure attachment point, and it can handle a heavy load, and it can always be untied fairly easily. So the timber hitch is different than most hitches in the fact that it's really just a series of wraps and tucks around the diameter of a tree. So let's take a look at how we tie the timber hitch. So these are the tucks that I was talking about. So what we're going to start with, we're going to go around the tree with our sling. We're going to put it underneath the rigging hardware. And now what we're going to do is a round turn. So all the way around and back to the top again. So that's the starting point. And now what we're going to do is a series of tucks around the diameter of the tree. So the minimum recommended tucks is 5, and those should be spread around a minimum of half of the diameter of the tree. So to do this, we're going to try and keep things tight as we go. So we're going to put the tail down through. So that's one tuck, and then open it up, down through, second tuck, third tuck, fourth tuck, and fifth tuck. So that is our finished timber hitch. So you can see as load is applied, it's actually squeezing on the rope itself on each of these tucks. So it's actively tightening as load is applied. So that's where the strength comes from. And then the fact that it has no hard bends also contributes to its strength and makes it easy to untie. So let's look at it one more time. Just unwrap each of these tucks. So I will mention the timber hitch it works much better on trees that are very cylindrical, fully round like this. It doesn't work as well all the time on trees that have large buttress type root flares where the trunk sort of goes in and out, because the tucks may end up getting placed or moved to a spot where the trunk dips in and comes back out, and then in that case the tuck isn't going to do very much in that location. So it's going to work a lot better in trees that are more cylindrical. So again, we're going to take our sling around the tree and underneath, and now we're going to do a round turn. Okay, and then we're going to do a series of a minimum 5 tucks around at least half of the diameter. So just try and keep it tight as you go. Open it up, tuck, third tuck, and a fourth, and a fifth tuck. So that is the timber hitch, an excellent way of attaching rigging hardware to trees using deadeye slings.